The readings indicate this section is stable.
Copy that. Proceeding to remove the coral layer here.
I'm clear. How's the hull looking?
It's stable. Keep the pressure steady. Almost through.
Roger that. Adjusting now.
I've cleared the sediment here.
Copy.
I'm taking a reading now.
I'm making progress here. Good, the rope's gone. Keep clearing the hull.
Secure the strap here.
Checking the alignment.
Hand me the other chain.
Ready.
Good, now wrap it around this beam.
Keep it steady. Character B, check the data. Data confirms ascent is stable.
Looking good up here. The alignment is good. Pressure is steady. Looks secure. The damage here is extensive.
It's worse than the preliminary scans indicated, and I'm documenting the growth pattern.
The readings are consistent with the latest scans.
The corrosion is deeper than anticipated here. We need to prioritize stabilization of the bow section first. I'm ready for your measurement.
Measuring now, mark it.
Got it. Looks like we have a big problem here.
The hull shows significant fatigue near the plating junction.
Noted. The structural integrity is compromised here.
All right, we'll need to reinforce this section immediately.
The measurements here seem off. Can you confirm? Checking now, hold on.
Yes, they match the blueprint exactly.
Aligning the laser with your position now, proceed. The measurements are off by a few degrees.
Rerunning the calibration now.
Look at the hull damage over here.
Adjusting the angle. Got it. The data shows the cluster will working efficiently, but we need to verify the water level here. The reading is 83.2. Confirming alignment.
Got it.
Got it. 83.2. Checking the data against the survey map.
17 inches and a quarter here.
Noted. Okay, check that support beam next.
Roger. Capture the stress point.
Done. Moving to section 3.
I've got a good angle on this section.
Copy that. Confirming data collection.
Extensive corrosion here.
Marking that location.
Noticing a large cluster of barnacles nearby.
Documenting the growth. I've got the first sample. Good. Placing it in the container now. Data recorded.
Sample collected, ready for analysis.
Verified. Recording data now.
Collecting sample. Check the resistance there.
Reading 15.7 kiloms.
Recording now. Good reading.
The current sample weighs in at 48.7 grams.
Okay. Logged.
Let me update the spreadsheet.
Okay, let's start with this piece. Ready.
Sample collected.
Data matches. Good. Let's move to the next.
All right, lowering the samples now. Watch the levels.
Copy that. Monitoring the tablet.
Samples are submerged. Initiate cleaning protocol.
Protocol initiated. Data logging complete.
The data shows the reaction rate is increasing.
Keep agitating the water. It's working.
The brush is making good progress. The metal looks much cleaner now.
Yes, I'm logging the improvement in
Corrosion levels now. The data shows significant oxidation reduction here.
Yes, that aligns with our latest cleaning agent tests.
Good. Let's record these results and prepare for the next phase.
I think this section is clear.
Checking the data. Looks good. Move to the pipes.
Data looks good on the tablet.
Keep the light steady. Lots of sludge here.
Copy that. Making progress.
Sector 7 marked as complete. Check the structural integrity near the piping.
Affirmative. Moving to the piping now.
Scrape rate is good.
Not fast enough. The laser says we've got a foot of this stuff.
Okay, let's keep going. Sector Bravo clear.
I think this needs a deeper clean. Copy that.
Let me log the current status on the tablet.
I found a hairline crack here. No doubt.
Noted. Get it logged before it gets worse.
Keep scraping. Looks good.
I'm logging it. The rust is thick here.
This area is
Clean and ready.
perfect. Now we can lay out the markings for the paint.
The readings here indicate we should use 2 coats on this section.
Okay, I'll start applying the second layer now.
Great. Let's keep moving forward. Keep the strokes even here. Noted.
Checking the density.
Just a bit more in this corner.
Perfect.
Here. The paint seems consistent here.
Wait, I'm seeing a slight inconsistency on the texture right here.
Yes, you're right. Good catch. Let me check the specifications. That's one section secured.
Good. Now let's look at this upper section here.
Right. I'm ready. Line it up here. Got it. Looks good. Secure it tight. Check the level. The platform is secure. Where next?
Up here, section G5. Can you get the bracket?
Copy that. On my way.
The
The heavy growth is from the keel up to the waterline. For urgent cleaning and stabilization.
readings are stable. Let's proceed with cleaning.
Confirm. Confirm.
Clearing the way now. Keep the angle shallow to avoid damage. Copy. Monitoring the pressure. Barnacles are coming off the hull now. Focus on the upper section next.
The flow seems consistent now.
Confirmed. Parameter readings are stable.
Good. Let's log it. The readings here are high.
Okay, collecting sample.
We need to check the section above it as well. That's the spot. I'll mark it now.
Copy that. Confirming dimensions on the tablet.
I think this is the worst of it.
Got it recorded. Got it recorded.
We should seal this before moving to the starboard side.
Okay, I'll update the log. Keep it steady. Need a smooth coat here.
Checking the measurements against the plan now.
Thanks. Just a bit more in this corner. I think this section is done. Yes, that looks clean. The samples are also ready to test.
The paint is coming off well.
Good. Reading optimal parameters on the surface.
We're uncovering more of the base metal now.
Confirmed. Let's record the new section.
The blast radius looks good. We're making real progress.
Data confirms it. We've cleared 30% of this section.
The readings here are good. Moving on.
Okay, I've cleared this section. Check for any residue.
The blast is working well here, revealing clean metal.
Okay, I'm logging the progress now.
Excellent work.
Hull looks clean. Confirming that reading, the blast was effective. Ready to move to the next section.
The paint's coming off well now.
Yes, that patch is completely clear.
Just the last bit here.
Perfect, we're on schedule.
All right, clearing this rust spot now.
Data confirmed, surface integrity is good.
Nice. Getting there. Looks good.
Agreed. Let's move to the next section.
Loose here.
Okay, noted.
And this one? Solid.
Marking as secure.
Let's move to the next row. Keep it steady. This section is thick.
Understood. I'm hitting some tough barnacles here.
Nice, we're making good progress. The corrosion here is heavy.
Noted. Keep going.
Just need to smooth this area.
Looks good. Updated the log.
The damage extends further than the initial scan.
Confirming on the tablet, it's consistent with the stress factors.
Let's mark the cut here and continue downwards. Okay, the alignment is good.
I'm ready. Start the cut.
Watch the spark. Almost there.
Good. The section is free. Keep it steady. The metal's getting hot. Good. Looks good. Maintain that angle. I'm monitoring the temperature.
Okay, the final pass.
Ready to record.
Clear the zone, it's coming down.
Impact noted. Proceeding with analysis.
Measure 65.
Hold it there. It's spot on.
All right, brace yourself. Here we go.
Okay, power down. Let's check the cut.
Keep it steady. Looking good. Good.
Matches the blueprint. We got it.
Hold it steady. We're secure on this side.
Readings are within tolerance. Check that seam. The steel looks strong, but we'll need another pass here. Understood. Checking the specs now.
The temperature looks good.
Let's check the seams here.
Verify fight. Moving to the next section. I'm applying the penetrant now. Let me know what you see.
Yes, I see red lines forming. There's a significant crack right here.
The thermal signature of the weld looks good.
Agreed. Let me note the temperature data.
Just need one more pass to smooth it for paint.
The thickness here reads 40 millimeters.
According to Twin 24 at grid D7, try the next section.
16 noted.
The template line's up here. Let me trace the outline.
Confirmed. Marking the data now. This section is ready for repair.
Surface is prepped. Looking good.
Reading green on the seal. Proceed with placement.
The rust is gone. It's smooth. Checking the thickness now. It's within tolerance.
Perfect. It's ready for
Painting.
Noted.
Weld holding up. Check the reading.
Confirm stable. Proceed.
Moving on to the next section. Thanks.
Looks correct. The angle is within tolerance. Verified. Proceeding with the second tack.
Testing completed.
I'm seeing cracks right here.
Confirmed. Adding it to the report now. Measurement looks correct.
Good. Ready to continue.
Let's finish it. Keep it steady. I'm almost through the first pass.
Looking good. The fusion seems strong.
Just a little further. Don't move the plate. Hold it there.
Looks like it's a perfect fit now.
Great.
Locking it in.
The weld is holding up perfectly. Excellent. I'm logging the integrity status now.
What's next?
Let's check the stability of the bulkhead supports further down. The data on the tablet matches the repaired section here.
Yes, the red primer indicates the new plate.
Excellent. The structural integrity seems solid.
0.7, section delta is looking good.
Verified. Moving to the next area.
Okay, confirm pressure is holding steady.
Keep the coats even here.
Got it, making sure it covers well.
Good. Let me check the next section.
Keep focusing on that section near the base. The coverage isn't even yet.
Understood. I'll get that spot. Checking the flow now.
Good, make sure to layer it. The data shows it's still thin there. Nice work, looks good.
I'm covering the lower hull as you instructed.
Excellent, there's just a small section right here that needs a bit more.
Got it. Covering that area now.
The coverage looks even and precise. Just finishing up this section now.
Excellent work.
Looks steady. All right, I've got the tape on the line here. Perfect, we're good to go.
Perfect, just one small detail here.
Got it.
Got it, how does that look?
Excellent, move on to the next section.
The measurements align perfectly.
Excellent, let's apply the first stencil.
Checking the level, just a little more to the left.
Okay, now holding steady.
Perfect, we're almost done with this section. Looks good. Perfect.
All right, perfect.
The paint looks good here. Yeah.
Checking the data. It's a perfect match.
Let's finalize this section.